Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you History Unboxed Ancient Egypt. I do have two other History Unboxed videos that I will link as well, so if you want to check out some of the other ones. And so let's take a look at what you get inside the Ancient Egypt box. So for this one, we've got our little booklet. All of the History Unboxed programs comes with a booklet, and this gives you background information, and it also explains how to do all of the projects. So we're obviously learning about ancient Egypt. We're going to make an apple mummy, and we're going to be learning about the pyramids, Egyptian games. So we'll be making a game. We'll be learning about Egyptian food and drinks. So we've got a recipe there. We're going to decorate our own sarcophagus. And then there's further reading. So in the History Unboxed guides, there's always book suggestions for further reading if you'd like to do that. And then there's a map on the back. And then here we have the girl with the rose red slippers. So this is a story from ancient Egypt. We have how to play Senate. Oop. We have a letter introducing us to the box and what we're going to be doing. And we have a coloring page on cardstock. And then we have all the materials that we need for the projects. So here we have the kit for painting. And we've got our natron salt. I think this is for our mummifying apples experiment. Got another paint there, and this I believe is for the Senate game. So we get all the supplies, all the supplies we need to make the projects, with the exception of the apples. There's obviously no apples in here for obvious reasons. Now, if you're using this with more than one child, you can get a sibling kit. So it would come with, an extra kit like this and that sort of thing. So anything that's consumable for each child. Or you can, split up the activities. However you want to do it. But this is the Ancient Egypt kit. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you love all things homeschool.